Kajing trash tamba kajing ko jing mot kabas kam, kadai ka ek bakum ki beriang idan kam bandan, kenang bagin poi syakathong. Hadian kajing mi ka result Matrik mentau Snem, lasaki kajing bon ki khana skul ki balapas, kabakawai nagi skul ka Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School Umpleng, kala yo ban khet yau jo uso ka balapin po mat yaki nohi kai bat yaka skul hi barok away. Haka arpu pratarek wiyayong arhaja arpusan kani ka Skul Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School Umpleng kalapen long ka jingpen ko buram yaki khna puli ka skul ki balawan syakmat haka result Matrik kabadang syudapen banadang shen. Hakari ka ski lawan mensaki lang daw Father Augustine Kutala uparish priest kanong Thamai Parish haringkat ka Jiadon lang i Mother Superior Mother Angela Kharkongor i Principal Sister Julie Lingdo Lingkhoi bat kiwei. Hab ajing kran hakani ka ski uway na ki khana puli ulapan pau ka jing sngongo ya ki nohikai bat ya ka skol hi barok away ka balapan long ya u kumbau long Mynta. Ulapan pau ru ka jing susi pan boklam la ban pen pau kertang ya ka skol ka balong ka jing ang nod jang i principal ki nohikai jang ka skol la bon Snem Mynta.
And vision for all of us. Sister, your guidance and encouragement have shaped me, us, into who we are today. This felicitation is not just a celebration of our results, but a reflection of your commitment to excellence. To our teachers, thank you for your endless patience, your dedication, and the knowledge you've imparted. You did more than teach, you inspired. We will carry your lessons, both academic and moral, into every challenges that lies ahead. To my friends, thank you for being part of this chapter of my life. You may not even realize how much your presence meant to me, whether it was sharing a joke, working to class together, or just knowing that someone was there. It made a difference. You helped make school feel like home, especially during the times when things felt heavy. I will always remember the kindness, the support, and the simple everyday moments we shared. I truly wish each of you all the very best in whatever path you choose. May your journey ahead be filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. Our journey was not easy. We all face different kinds of challenges. Some struggle in silence, some push through with determination, and some simply held on. But in our own ways, each of us made it. And that in itself is something to be proud of. Personally, my journey with this school began in 2020 when I joined in class 6. It was during the COVID-19 lockdown, a time when everything felt distant. I didn't know anyone, and for a long while, school was just a screen and a name. It wasn't until 2022 when I entered class 8 and school finally opened, and I truly started to feel a part of it. I met Sister Principal, and from the very first time, she encouraged me and made me feel seen. That encouragement stayed with me and helped shape who I am today. I still remember one moment that left a deep impact on me. Sister Principal, Sister Julita Lingkhoi, once came to our class, and I can see sadness in her eyes, told us that since the very beginning of our school, no student has ever reached the top merit list in the SSLC examination. That didn't discourage me, but it gave me a reason to try harder. And I did try. I came close. I missed the top 20 merit list in the SSLC MBOS examination by a few marks. It was disappointing, yes, but it also reminded me how possible that dream is. Missing the top 20 wasn't just my loss. It felt like I let down the hopes of the people who believe in me. Because it's not just my dream to see someone from our school shine at the top. It's the dream of our teachers, our principal, our entire school. They don't just teach us from books. They pour their hearts into every lesson, hoping that one of us will rise and represent everything our school stands for. Hard work, dedication, and excellence. I wanted to be that student. I came close, and though I didn't make it this time, I haven't given up. In fact, I'm more determined than ever. And to the juniors listening to me today, I want to pass that dream to you. Let's not leave this dream unfulfilled. Let's make our teachers, our principal, and our school proud. Let's give back to the people who never stop believing in us. Let's reach the top, not just for ourselves, but for everyone who worked this journey with us. I love this school very much. It has given me friends, supportive friends, a principal who truly sees and encourages me, and wonderful teachers who guided me with patience and care. This school has shaped not just my mind, but also my heart. No matter where life takes me, Hubert Memorial High School will always hold a special place in my heart. Thank you once again to everyone who has been part of my journey. Your faith in me means more than words can express. Thank you. May God bless our school always. Long live Hubert.
Hakawai pat kaliang na pedeng kini gibla syapun ko buram na kaliang Shillong Mail ula yo banyak kran bat kawai ke khana skul ke bala skul Naduh ke lockdown Henry da ka jinglam lenti ke kemi baka jing ai man se me sister principal ibala pediang biang ya ka hadien ke jingkular jongka ban treshdam kala la ban pas chisen yale ya ka Matrik
nga kum ke khana Samla manswa ngalong ngadon ka jing perkhat kum ke khana Samla kum ka khana ru ka ba kenjak ngo shu ono mar ba mansha pa jigi perlok sting kidon laki Samla ngaru kum kamarwei namar ba ki perlok adon sawai mo ngapat marwei ngadon ngasu kenjak bat kawai ru kum ka Samla khana ngas ngakwa hi tau Samla temo tegi por ngala ayalang Samla imei ri itebi ita ngal sedang ya tek Samla tu phoi afil di imei tom kat ke jingdom imei am yong to na lit school su ngong to ngasu thu ye kata mo jingle mangai te ngasu thu te hek tigi thata hek tigi singa don bitang hayeng ngadon tang hayeng ngam tip ye ka e ngam tip su e kat ke e ka bala shai ke bala singi ngam tip su ma namar bo su don tang hayeng bet su thia su dam gum tu su tlegi kam men singi rum tip su mir tip su men singi rum tip su ma te kalong tahi kan hati singi te dala da imei par hati ki por yong ya rap train imei tang alet apor bangelet ngalet train ya rap train imei apor tiki singi tiki Snem swa ngalet ya rap train imei gitu hati singi imei pos tom kan men train ulit kelas atat ala dia yang ngaru ala dia hospital ngabi imei gumta te tiki singi manga ber imei nya dua te kidan ki sibhayim wan visit imei wan ai pisa tat mo wan ai pisa ndet tu tangila ban yo ka bai ba mi ai ka bai bai bodan kam jong gaying jong ni te tiki singi imei la klan asa discharge tu ngaru ngala regret mo namar ki paralok jonga kila koi sawai mangapat marwei dang koi haju mo endong ngong mei ngala hi thai mei bangan join biang bangan rejoin biang takajing im jonga yong hawai kadon bet mo kalat beli ai bet kalat ki telong kumno ru ai bet kalat mo te tiki singi la sedang school ki kena antu kapor ngawan manga bet imei niwan keren sister ban pediang yang ada kajing bet kajing keman te i sister pada kajing keman i pediang yang sisa ngiru manga bet imei ngilai keman bet ngilai duai ngilai play mo ya play kendat jomi te hati tu singi salah syai pat ngadang up imei ngadang up ya i nya jonga ibara idang mut khakun am te hantu kapor hi fun sendat kum tu hati fun sendat bet i sister yang wan dalong wan la syai mo ngapar kelumar namar kor rumpat tiet i rumpat iu ma ki jandal adon ba manusia tangi tang ong ime an phong gini bam syak kor spet bet ki perlok tu
Dapin om du kelas ki ngong wan no la shai hi hoi nama pila du shibun
tan tu pat nga wan no tu poi ki kelas ani dari ko ka poi ki kelas ki biang ma andai poi pang kamet per science am namar bam la clear la long male mstu sudah kamet la kelumar te imei ong kilit tuition ngalit ka tuition ma andai na tuition ru pang sidrawat skor bet namar balai aklel lut ma te imei pari ong le de sistem ma dalong kumna ru sya bet andai patang da ka feel kamet su le ayu hingan ngantri sistem nya ki wi subjek ki banang bat nga don ka kasap ka kubor ka bana ai dei ya ki kena ki badu lat dei ba mdei ba pin du lat ne ba pin snow ba pilai du ba pidu ka jing im dei pelat ya ki ba he jong pi kum email pa mut ne kino hikai ki iru pelat banyak tu ya ki jingjar jong pi ba maki kinyarap ma bat kawiru ai ba kini ka jingyat linti ka jonga kan numlong ka jingya linti jong ki para samla andai ai ba kin yaile ya kita ki jing pun shoy kita ki jing yaile ba jengki
Habaya grandmother sister Julie ilaong bakani ka long ka way na kinuksa na ka banta ki khana puli ki badanya ka mensem banya khun bakin la bet ban poi ka thong wat la ka lenti kam dai ka basuk ba ila pen paw ka jing sungok man ba wat la ki khana kim la ban poi ha ka thop top 20 ru henrei ki la persang kat ka bala la ka bor bat ong bakani ka la dai lupa ka jing job yaki
kini ke program ni la abu kerpang na gabenta ki kena skul jongi ki bla pasi ke SSLC jong Mynta Snem ke result ru kalong ke baslo tenat sisya ban sngam namar bangi pha san pulai ngut ki kena te san pu ar ngut ki la pas iwe I kena le I la de ban wan ha ka list tang ba iduna tang kendiat ki max I kem yo ban poi ha ka list nre ka lalong ke jingkemen na gabenta jongi nama ni bun pham ta Snem ki kena jongi ke ba yo e ke distinction kuma ong don na peding jongi ki la jan yo jan baro ki subject ba itu kena ba de bendon hagan lesri ila yo bro ki subject te ka jingkemen shu Mynta Snem na gabenta jongi ba ka de ru ka singi bangi rakhi bendon burom na gabenta jongi hagan ni ka singi ka bangi ai nam ai burom yaki ni kwa ban le burom kerpang yaki kum ke skul barok ke we bat mentah hang ni pini I ngadon rengkat bat ngahang ni ini kena skul jongi I ban silianong si ini I kena idon ka story ngan ong no ka ba khampla sisana barok khoi ngatarai te ka long ru ka jingkemen na gabenta jongi ha ka ba ini I ban silia ila pep school no la Snem Snem tam tingi klem na poi perkhat ru namar ha ka por banga long principal menshwa ma I la long kena skul ha ka skul ke jongi te ha ka bi singi kendu I stage surok ong ti phila le ayu ong sister na la de drop out nga klem penbeteng ke jing puli ong balik pim perkhat baha da kumwei pan te me I don la ka jong ka story te nga klem da poi perkhat pat men chim Snem arjar ar kusau jing shangi las dang skul mo ti iwan nang bat image jong ong sister la da pisha te ngi la rai ong hime nga la rai bang one school pi pediang sister yanga ong balik ngam pediang pi la rai shisha la da pikular yanga ba pin le baha pin minot ye ka kot ke jong pi nga pediang da ke jingkemen bat nga kwa ru ban ong pi la da pi puli baha la da pi pas pi long ka success story la ni ka khana jing job na ga benta ka school ke jongi bat da shisha nga kwa ban ai khuble yero ye ba Mynta Snem Chisin yale ila pas bat ila long ke success story na ka benta ke school tenga ai ke jing khuble ye imei jong bala krishan do im do yam ban pen one school biang ye bat ban siliaru bat trei shishan na do ga do na do ka mensim om tanga ke jing puli henre ki sports activities ki bangile ru ma ila don rengkat bat ki kena ban hikai ki na kamat hikai ki kumno ban yai namar ma ila sha train ha PT teacher ba menshwa ti wan ra ke tu ke ju kom hikai ki kena ba de ka house ke jong bat don ke por ile rain mo pile rain kiri yang ong em pim de ban le rain ba pile le da ke jing kemen bat wat ju le rain le da ke jing slur bat ila le shisha bat ila long shisha ka khubor jong ke jing kemen na ka benta jong ke school community baro ke we bat ile si long ke nuksaru na ka benta jong ki we bat ki kena namar hai ngayo ta I kena ibam iba slur bat iba ibam du jing kermen ia khun idon hakata kam bensim kejung I bangan yale ia kene kejing em bat bangakwa ban puli biang bandup job te congratulations ipi ban silia kalong kejing keban sisha naga benta jungi baru khoi
we call upon and 67% agree with 69% letters in the subject have Kinsai Borlang Karasami with the total letters in the subject English, Maths and Health Education. Next, we now call upon Naduh to present. Round of applause, please.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya